Hi friends. So today we discuss in a straight line the distance of a point from a line. So here the formula is the perpendicular distance, that is small d, of a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which is the equation of a straight line. From a point x1 comma y1 is given by d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under the square root of a square plus b square. So this is the distance of a point from a line, that is d is equal to finding the distance from the line to the point using this formula. So here we solve an example. Find the distance of the point 3 comma minus 5 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 26 equal to 0. So here the given line is 3x minus 4y minus 26 equal to 0, and the point we have to take it is x1 comma y1, that is 3 comma minus 5. So here in this line a is equal to 3, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 26. So x1 equal to we take 3 and y1 is equal to minus 5. So therefore the distance of the given point from the given line is d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under the square root of a square plus b square. So we substitute all the values here. Modulus of a is 3, x1 is 3 plus b minus 4, y equal to minus 5 we take, then c equal to it is minus 26. Under this square root of a square plus b square means 3 square plus minus 4 square. So therefore that is equal to, so 3 into 3 is 9, then minus 4 into minus 5 is 20 comes, and you see minus 26 upon under the square root of 3 square is 9 plus this 4 square is 16. So this is equal to comes, that is 20 plus 9 is 29 minus 3 is the numerator comes 3 upon under the square root of 9 plus 16 is 25. So root 25 is equal to 5 comes. So the distance d is, that is 3 by 5 units. So this is the required solution. So similarly here one more example we solve. Find the distance of the point minus 1 comma 1 from the line 12 into bracket x plus 6 equal to 5 into bracket y minus 2. So here given line is 12 into bracket x minus 6 is equal to 5 into bracket y minus 2. So by simplification we get, that is 12x plus 12 6 are 72, here 5y minus 10. So this is equal to, now these terms comes right hand side, so we write it as 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 equal to 0. So therefore we get 12x minus 5y plus 82 is equal to 0. So which is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the point is minus 1 comma 1. So therefore we write a is equal to 12, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 82, x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 1. So therefore the distance of a given point from the given line is d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So this is equal to modulus of a is 12, x1 is minus 1 plus b is minus 5, c y1 is equal to 1 plus c equal to 82 we have written. So therefore that is upon denominator is root of 12 square plus minus 5 square. So this is equal to, that is modulus of minus 12 minus 5 plus 82 by root of 144 plus 25, because 12 square is 144 and 5 is minus 5 square is 25. So this is equal to, numerator is minus 17 plus 82 is 65 by root 169. this sum is equal to comes 169. So that is equal to 16 by square root of 169 is 13. So 13 by 65 by 13 is 5 units, which is the required solution. That is the distance D from the given point to the given line. So next example, find the points on the x-axis whose distances from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 1 is 4 units. Means here d is equal to 4 unit is given, and the equation of the line which is given in intercept form, we can convert it in standard general form, that is x plus by plus c equal to 0, and we have to find here the point x1 comma y1. Since the point lies on x-axis, then the required line is x comma 0, that is x1 equal to x and y1 is 0. And here d equal to 4 given, line is x by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 1. So by cross multiplying to 4x plus 3y by 12 equal to 1. So therefore we get the required line as 4x plus 3y equal to 12 or 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. And the required point is x comma 0. So therefore we have the distance of a point D from the point x1 comma y1 is, from the given line is D equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. And here d equal to 4 is given. 4 is equal to modulus of a is 4, x as x1 equal to x as it is, plus b is 3, y1 is 0 and c equal to minus 12. So therefore, so the upon root of a square is 4 square plus b is 3 square. So this is equal to, we get modulus of 4x minus 12 by 5. So here modulus means positive or negative value comes. So we write it as 4x minus 12 by 5 equal to plus or minus 4, because we take this value as plus or minus, or 4x minus 12 equal to plus or minus 20. So therefore we have 4x minus 12 equal to 20 or 4x minus 12 equal to minus 20. So is by simplification 4x is equal to 20 plus 12 or 4x equal to 32 means x is equal to 8 comes, or here 4x minus 12 equal to minus 20 means 4x equal to minus 20 plus 12, so that gives 4x equal to minus 8. So by simplification we get x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to here 8 or minus 2, therefore the required points are 8 comma 0 or minus 2 comma 0. Hence the solution. Okay, so here distance of a point from the line is over. Now we next study, that is distance between two parallel lines. Means if the two lines are given, ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0, then the distance between these two lines is, that is c is equal to modulus of, d is equal to modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. So using this formula we solve the examples. Here we discuss some examples. Find the distance between the parallel lines 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. So here two lines are given and two lines are parallel. So we find the distance between these two lines. So here given c1 is equal to 7 and c2 is 5, and here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4. So therefore we have the distance between two parallel lines is d equal to modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. So that is equal to modulus of c1 is 7 minus c2 is 5 upon root of 3 square plus minus 4 square. So this is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 by root 25 comes, because 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16, 9 plus 16 is root 25 comes. So that is equal to 2 by 5 units. Hence the solution. Similarly, the next example here, find the distance between the parallel lines 15x plus 8y minus 34 equal to 0 and 15x plus 8y plus 31 equal to 0. So solution here, C1 is equal to minus 34 and C2 is equal to 31. A is equal to 15, B is equal to 8. So the distance between two parallel lines is D equal to modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of A square plus B square. So that is equal to modulus of C1 is minus 34, C2 is minus 31 and minus C2 is positive upon root of 15 square plus 8 square. So that is equal to modulus of minus 65 by root of 15 square is 225 plus 8 square is 64. So that is equal to root 25 plus 64, it comes to 289, that is root 289 is 17, numerator is, we take the modulus means positive value take 65 by 17 units, therefore D is equal to 65 by 17 units. So the next example here, find the distance between the parallel lines L into bracket x plus y plus p equal to 0 and L into bracket x plus y minus r equal to 0. So solution, here given two lines are Lx plus Ly plus p equal to 0, because we solve this one by simplifying we get, and second line is Lx plus Ly minus r equal to 0. So here A and B are L, C1 equal to P and C2 equal to minus R. Then we use the formula, the distance between two parallel lines is D equal to modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of A square plus B square. So that is equal to modulus of C1 is P minus C2 is minus R upon root of L square plus L square, because A and P equal to L. So it is equal to modulus of P plus R by root of 2L square. So this is equal to 1 by root 2 into modulus of P plus R by L units, which is the required distance between the two parallel lines. So now here we solve one more example, that is of the form, find the equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. Means we find a line which is parallel to this given line 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. So we know that any line parallel to 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 is of the form 3x minus 4y plus k equal to 0, because the given line, two lines are parallel which is differ by the constants, independent terms, independent of x and y. So we take it is k equal to 0. Consider equation 1. And if this line passes through the point minus 2 comma 3, so therefore we substitute x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3 in equation 1. So we have 3 into bracket minus 2 minus 4 into bracket 3 plus k equal to 0. So therefore minus 6 minus 12 plus k equal to 0 comes. So it gives k equal to 18. So substitute k equal to 18 in equation 1. So we have 3x minus 4y plus 18 equal to 0, which is the equation of the required line. Okay, so we stop here. Thank you.